Hello, good morning, guys. So today I'm going to introduce you to an app that allows you to make a lot of money from your content, like a lot of money from your content. I'm telling you the honest truth. Now, let me show you, especially those of you content creators, those of you who do videos, those of you who write amazing articles. And I think I heard about Instagram not permitting the monetization again. All right, so I've had a friend who just cashed out from this platform. She's the one that introduced me to the platform in the first place. Let me see if I can get her name. Is it Anna Town? Let's see. Sorry guys, let's just go. I don't want us to go right up to. There's it. So do you know the app where you can watch recent movies and listen to music for free? That's not all. You can list your products in the marketplace where anyone can see. You can get your own online store for free, and you can earn for being active on the site. I joined this Sunday, and here's my current balance and screenshot below. This is her own current balance, and let me see. She had withdrawn. That's the post that I'm looking for. She had withdrawn and she was paid. That's what I'm looking for. Anyway, we cannot look for it now. So let me show you the website. Now look at Instagram. Let's look at Instagram first of all. This is how Instagram is. For those of you who want to follow me on Instagram, I'm not really that active yet on Instagram, but I'm going to be active very soon. So you can follow me on Instagram, King Onesimus, all right? Or you can follow us on my business page, Juicy Enterprise. So you can follow us here, Juicy Enterprise. You can follow us as. So we're having 5,198 followers. You can follow us here. And if you want to buy anything from any part of the world, you can give an order. Don't bother, we'll actually deliver it to you. Yes, and if you're in Europe, it comes to you. So let's get to work. All right, so now the app is just like Africa's creative platform, just like Instagram. But here you are paid for being active. You are paid for liking. You are paid for commenting. You are paid for sharing. You are paid for posting. Yes, you're paid calories, and the calories are converted to dollars. Now, I think is it 100 calories? 100 calories equals to is it $1 or is it $0.1? Something like that. Let the site load. The site is super good. Now, for those of you who are marketers, Omojami, don't bother. I'm going to send you a link here. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. I think I'm giving a lot of content, a lot of juicy content here for free. A lot of content that can actually help you as an individual, as a business person. And also, for those of you mommies and daddies out there, you can see that on our YouTube page. We give a lot of content that will help you to maintain your household and kitchen equipment well. And so this is the platform, Omojami. One sweet thing about this platform is that you can see what everybody does. Everybody on this platform does. And if I decide to make money today, I can decide to like 100 pages, or I decide to comment on some pages and I make money. So this is Omojami for you. So now let me look at my own. Here you can watch free music. I mean, you can listen to free music. You can also watch free videos. So this is my dashboard. Let me go here to see calories. So whatever you earn here is being converted to calories. I have 1,501 calories. 500 calories equals to $1. But that is if you were to calculate, I'm supposed to have about, let's say, $3, but I have up to $6 here, $6.7. In another video, for those of you, when you sign up using the link that I'm going to post under here, You can write me. You can also follow me. There's a WhatsApp link that I'll post. You follow the WhatsApp link and I'll teach you how to make more money from the platform. I'm telling you, more money. So like I've made extra $3.7. So as you can see already. So my current balance. So what are they saying here? Let's go back to Umojami. Okay, now this is my profile to show you that I'm doing something real. I'll go to statistics to see. I've made 128 posts, 33 this month, and I think I've liked 1,012 posts and 12 liked by 12 other people's posts. I don't know how this one is. Comments, yeah, the comments that I've had, and 5 other comments shared by. My posts have been shared by this number of persons, and I've shared one person's post. So all of these things are just statistics to show you how you're performing. And what do I do on this platform? I have 39 followers, and I just share my gigs once in a while. This person does not follow me, but he see my content. That is one thing about marketing. If you want to use this site for marketing, you're going to make a lot of money, because everybody on this platform views whatever you do. Everybody on this platform views whatsoever you do. Everybody on this platform sees what you do. I even started having a lot of likes even before even having up to that 30 something. I always post things that will help entrepreneurs. So if you're here, you can follow us here, Juicy Enterprise. This is the platform. Immediately you post, somebody will easily see your platform. Now the platform makes it in such a way that people want to like and comment, because they know that when they like, they earn money. Let's see something here. Okay, I want to see. So I'll show you if they're going to explain. Earn 3 calories by commenting on any post. Earn 5 calories by creating a new post. Earn 1 calorie by reacting on any post. Earn 3 calories by creating a new diary. Now, if I want to earn 100 calories, because that's the maximum that you can earn per day, all I have to do is do, I think, 20 posts per day, and I'll earn 5 calories. And one thing I've noticed about them is that before they want to pay you, they go and verify that you've been posting original content, content that educates people enough too. That is what they go and check. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to sign up to this platform, sign up first, then you'll get to me in the WhatsApp link that I'm posting now. Please subscribe so that you can come back and follow us back again. Sign up first, and you need just a small capital. You need your username is a capital is not in capital letters, all in one word. Then you come back here and click the link of the WhatsApp link below and get to me. I'm going to educate you on how to make extra, like how I've made extra from the platform. Thank you guys very much for watching.